friends, and it's Yanga over here.
Hello.
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 And we got Riceman Dude here. He may not be talking, and the reason for that is,
He's on our call.
yeah, he's not here. He's not here.
Hurry up! Hurry up! Come on.
Come on.
Oh.
And we're going to be doing all three of these difficulties.
Is it
So
just me or
Caitlin,
mine?
show them the difficulties.
There's
We
a
should be doing
hard,
the
which I
easy
really want to
one,
go in
the
here.
medium, and the hard. So
Medium
let's
and
go on the
easy.
easy one first.
Am I the only one who noticed that my view went different? Let me get in here.
Oh, I think we're already going down. Are we going down?
No, there's a 4 out of 8 players, so spectate them.
And
Spectate.
I want you guys to read a comment
You guys are about to
below
escape,
for
oh my
a
gosh.
question that you would like to ask us. You can comment any question you would like to ask us. We will be answering one of them in our next video.
Hurry up! Come on! Oh, they escaped. I can't. Oh, there's water. Never mind.
So, yeah.
Ah!
And the reason you guys may be asking, why are we in Caitlin's screen?
Yeah.
And the reason why we are in Caitlin's screen is because we want to make a change. So
Yeah.
our change today is to put it on Caitlin's screen. So
The real reason.
how do you feel about that?
The real reason is you're too noob.
Caitlin, how do you feel about that?
I don't like.
Hey, Yanga.
Oh, we're going.
Don't go AFK in these games.
Ah!
Actually, no. Let them do that. I don't care. I'm just going to let them do that. And I'm going to care for myself first, because, yeah.
Girl, that's bad. And then I fell
I know,
again.
no. I fell. Don't make me die. No, I died already.
Girl,
Are you kidding me? I already died.
the game was too early. And then you already died. That's why it's in my screen.
No. That was just some. Random.
Where are you, plebs? Where are you? I think the others are dead.
Hurry, go!
I don't know.
Go to the other side! No! You're the wrong way!
People are going to the wrong way.
Oh, well, sad.
Okay,
Just kill yourself already.
I don't
Don't
want.
forget to comment down what your question is to us. We will be answering one
I actually
of
don't
those
really want to kill
questions.
myself. Come on! Well, I'm gonna be dead.
And those questions can be
Well-
juicy questions or bad questions.
Okay,
No,
Oh,
it's not.
Riceman Dude's here.
It's just bad because you died first.
I don't know what we're gonna do.
You
Hey,
died.
Yanga, look at me. How do you feel
Yes.
about this? How do you feel about this game?
nice.
How do you
It's
feel
really,
about this?
It's really
hard,
stressful, I'm not
but-
gonna lie.
Wait, is it only Caitlin left?
Yeah, only me.
Is Riceman Dude dead?
Yeah, Rice Dude's dead.
Alright, the next thing we're gonna do is medium difficulty. Alright, hey Riceman Dude. Don't go in there yet, you're going to teleport to the ring.
Someone
Okay.
saves me. Okay, come on, dude, let's
How
go.
do you feel about being on YouTube? Tell us, how do you feel about being YouTube?
Come on, dude, there's only 2 of us left. All of them died because they're so noobs.
Hey, Yanga.
Wait, where do I go?
Yes.
Do you hear me? How do you feel about this on YouTube?
This game?
How do you feel about like this thing going on YouTube? Do you feel nervous or?
No.
And I don't feel any nervous. I'm just, I don't know. I'm a little bit confused.
Caitlin die?
Am I supposed to get up here?
Is Caitlin still there? I'm going to spectate Caitlin. Oh, she's the only one remaining.
Oh, I just died already.
Caitlin, you have to you have to get the green one. That's the your source of escaping.
I'm gonna die.
The green one is your source of escaping.
Girl, this is stressing me out.
I don't think you're going to be able to escape the green one. Not your one.
Let me make it out, please.
After this, your last thing will be the code.
Make it out.
Yeah, the code. Crack the code.
I'm
quick.
bad at cracking codes.
You have been doing this for so long, you must know how to crack a code. Okay, you got that one. Okay.
It's not
Caitlin, you
letting
can
me.
do this! the medium. Wait, where's Caitlin?
I'm still out here. Wait for
Right
me.
here. Alright. Let's go to the medium.
Medium, here we go.
Here we go.
Medium, medium, medium.
And Rise and Dude, change his avatar.
Medium, medium.
Rise and Dude, you look like you're in a beach or something.
Summer.
Summer?
Summer? You think it's summer? It's not summer.
It's not summer, dude.
It's almost summer.
Well, almost, but it's not.
It's summer.
Yeah, that's great.
Now that proves that I'm the best one in all of us. Yeah, I'm the best.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm climbing, climbing, climbing. I'm climbing, climbing. Alright. When are we gonna start this one? After the medium difficulty, we're gonna do the hard difficulty.
Oh yeah, we're starting. Yeah.
That was pretty quick.
Come on, you can make it in time. We need a lot of players. We need more players. More.
Have we played this game before? I don't think we played this game before.
Who?
Us. Have we played this game before?
I think we did.
Recording? Okay, we're going in. Get out, we have to get out. I guess. Room 1. Girl, do not push me. I am one of your fellow teammates. Okay, the water rises very fast and I do
I'm
not
here.
want to die.
Whoever that
Is
is.
it already open?
Come on, yeah, it's already open. Oh no, did you fall? Oh, thank God you did it. Come on, we need a small.
I'm here.
What we need?
Rise and Dude,
Rise
rise
and
and
Dude
Dude,
fell.
Rise and Dude!
Rise and Dude, come on, you can do it. Rise and Dude, please.
You got this!
Yes.
Okay, we all made it,
Oh
Well,
God,
not
what is this?
us. Maybe not all of us.
Oh, it's up here.
I almost felt it very boring.
I'm really going up.
Where do we go?
I'm gonna hit this one. Oh, okay.
Where do we go?
Grace, how do you bring up there?
Oh.
Over here.
I died.
Everyone's dying. This is so bad.
Well, I fell because I don't know how
Okay.
I fell. Let me
Don't
try
tell
it.
me it's only me and this girl here.
Yeah. No, there's.
This is so unfair because this girl has this coil and I do not have any coil.
Wait,
And
is
I
this
feel
the
like
right
this
one?
girl's going to die. Girl, how do I get up there? Help me, I need a boost.
I can't. Wait, where medium?
No wonder we're playing on medium difficulty. This is a lot difficult than I thought. Spectate me.
Yeah, I'm
These
spectating
look
you.
like s'mores.
Yeah,
You know
I
what?
kind of agree with
This
you.
girl's pretty useful because she does all the buttons for me. Like literally.
And you
all.
literally did nothing.
Oh no.
Do it! Come on, do it! Make the job for us. Oh, she did it.
I'm not doing it. I'm going to let it. Okay, I made it. Yeah. Okay, the last one's
Wow.
Code Cracker. Me and this girl played Code Cracker. Girl, come on. We got this. We're going down. Find the code.
Oh, there's 4 in this one.
Okay, we made it. We made it.
Wow.
Wait, we can't get out. Okay, yeah. Alright, now we're going to do the last one. The hard difficulty.
The hardest is in intermission.
Hurry up.
Where's this Rise dude?
I made it.
Woo!
Write it down.
Rise dude, where are you? Well, sad, he's not gonna enter. Where do I go?
I do not know where
Always
I'm
a
going.
wonder. Where do I go?
Caitlin, be careful.
This map's too big, and I haven't done.
You see, I am pretty
before.
pro.
Ah!
Okay, Caitlin died. Young I am, the door's open.
Alright, I don't like this game.
Why is everyone so salty?
Hmm.
We need to find a escape. Think fast. You have to think fast.
How are you supposed to take fast if you don't even know where you're going? Wait, where did you go from
Where
here?
do we go?
Where do you go?
Yanga, we went to the wrong way.
Well,
No, I died.
we're gonna spectate that last person.
Okay. So, yeah.
I think that's all.
That's not yet all. That was too fast, darling.
Let's do. Well, he's not gonna make it.
Let's do
Not gonna
one
make
more round of the heart. I feel like we deserve another round of the heart. That's too difficult.
All right, let's go to the intermission.
Let's go.
Come on, let's go intermission already. Hurry up.
I think Raj gonna do it last.
Raj
Alright,
gonna do it
let's
last.
go back to the hard one. We need to go. Right.
Come
Give
on.
ourselves another chance.
Yeah, especially me.
Love me.
Well, we're gonna go
Something
ship
recorded
love.
this game already, and I'm not sure.
God.
Guys, I don't know where to
Stop
go.
screaming in my ears. Oh, I went the wrong way.
I have to. I do not know where I'm going. How do I make it up there? Oh, there's actually a plank here. If you didn't know.
This is the wrong way. Oh, this is.
Oh
the right
God.
way.
This is stressing
Guys,
me
you have to
out.
move very fast because it's
If I miss one of my jumps, I'm
very,
dead.
very fast. Never look back. Never look back. Water rises so fast.
How does that dude have a coil? I
They
want
bought
that.
the coil, I guess.
I want
Whatever
that.
you guys do, never look back.
I will.
Wait.
Look back.
Oh no, there's no one. Go up here. This was our mistake. We should have.
How do you? There.
Okay.
What's that? Where you're supposed to go?
I'm not big brain. Well, I'm big brain.
Oh, someone died. Oh God, I almost died. Oh no.
We made it. Oh,
Look at where the last button is.
I made it. Okay, I think after this one we should be going.
I couldn't sacrifice it for you
I think
guys.
after this one we're going to do code cracker.
I couldn't sacrifice it anymore. I'm sorry, I couldn't
I got that
sacrifice.
Over here, Yaga, over here. Did you die?
Yeah. I tried
Oh,
to
I
sacrifice.
don't know yet.
Wait, no. That was already finished. Wait, how dumb of
Wait, where do
me.
we go? Where do you go from here?
How dumb of me to not
This
do that.
game.
This game is triggering me. Oh, that's
Yaga, help me, you traitor!
I can't even jump.
Oh well, you guys are dead.
I'm dead. Okay, y'all. You betrayed me. I hate you. You betrayed me.
Oh wait, this is
Sorry.
going the right way.
You betrayed me. Let's do one more round. She betrayed me.
Well, she literally made it.
Wait, she made it to.
Yeah.
She made it to the end.
Yeah.
Alright, come
But
on.
she's doing the code. This is gonna take a long time though.
Come on, guys. Come on.
I literally missed that one jump because I thought it was not yet finished.
Come on.
Girl.
Let's do one more difficulty. Kaylin, Yanga, come on.
Oh my goodness.
Caitlin, Yanga, we're going to do it hard.
Well, she died.
No. The code is too hard.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do this. One
Come
more
on,
time.
where are you?
After this, bring it up.
We're gonna die. There's only 3 of us. Oh no. Oh no. Come here. We need more players. Come on, girl. Yeah, all girl. Yeah. Mhm.
Alright.
Sad.
This is the last round and we're gonna end.
I'd have to be this way.
Someone, do something. Do some buttons.
I am. Okay, where do we go from here?
Over here, there's a button, I got it.
There's a log
I'm
over
going to
here.
sacrifice myself. Just for
Oh,
now.
I died.
Oh my, she already died. This is
Mhm.
so bad. We already lost a member and we just started.
I slipped while I was
So
gonna
it looks
jump.
like I'm not the noob, I guess.
Shush! You can't even make that! Oh wait, never mind.
There should have been a nice screen then. I'm not going to drink this. Actually, I'm so
I never said I was pro
I'm
in
so
obbies.
lucky. I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky. I'm so
You're
lucky.
gonna
I'm
jinx
so
yourself!
I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky.
Anytime now you're gonna fall down or die.
I'm so lucky.
You're totally. There.
Where do I go? I'm panicking. I don't know where I go.
You see that button you just passed? Oh god.
Guys,
girl.
I'm panicking right now. Water flies super duper fast. I made it to the wrong way.
No, you can still make it. Run for your life.
I can make it. I'm supreme. Oh.
Oh.
Okay, so.
I guess that's it.
Alright, do the outro.
So thank you for watching.
We hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel and click that big like button.
I'm not playing this game anymore.
And if that subscribe button's red, click it and make it gray.
This is a bad game.
Our day.
Very bad game.
Bye guys!
Bye.